Little Cayman is an ecological gem in the heart of the Caribbean, but the Booby Pond Nature Reserve is of particular ecological importance. I'm Louisa Gibson.
And I'm Jessica Harvey. Welcome, Louisa.
Thank you.
I love this place. Let me show you why.
Jessica led me into this muddy saltwater lagoon surrounded by mangrove forest. The mangrove forest supplies the pond with nutrients and allows it to host a high diversity of native plants. After a short walk, it was obvious why this is her favorite place in Little Cayman. You're looking at the breeding colonies of magnificent frigatebirds and red-footed boobies. Here in the rich mangrove forest of the reserve, both species mate, nest, and rear their young. Frigatebirds are known as the pirates of the sea. They conserve energy by stealing food from the red-footed boobies. It's called a klepto-parasitic relationship. The frigatebirds largely depend on the boobies to eat, but scientists can't find anything that the boobies get in return. Regardless of this apparently negative relationship, the two species nest side by side, with an occupant in every valuable spot. The Booby Pond is considered a wetland of international significance. It's protected under the National Conservation Law and managed by the National Trust for the Cayman Islands. The Booby Pond is off limits to the public to help protect the birds, but there's an observational platform for everyone to enjoy. If you're ever in Little Cayman, make sure to stop by and see this wonder of nature.
I had a great time exploring with Jessica Harvey, and now to end the day, I have a panoramic view of this world-renowned wetland sanctuary. I'm Louisa Gibson for the Guy Harvey Ocean Foundation.